Hi, in this video I will show you how to cast off invisible stranding. I have this kind of work that I have on the other side invisible stranding and on the other side normal stranded knitting. So it's a little bit tricky to cast off those invisible strands like I normally would do. So this video I will show you how to cast off these strands on work like this. First, slip the invisible stitch to the right needle. Then, seek the new strand on the back side of the work. Pull the new strand through the invisible stitch. Then, knit together the new and the present stitch. As my present stitch is purl, I purl this stitch together. Then, just knit normally until the next invisible stitch. Next, repeat the same pattern. Slip invisible stitch to the right needle, then seek new stitch under the present one from the back side of the work. Pull the new stitch through the invisible stitch, and then knit together the new stitch and the present one. After that, knit normally again. When you reach the next invisible stitch, repeat these same steps to cast it off. And this is how my knitting looks after I've casted off the invisible stranding. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully I will see you soon again.